Welcome to Computer Science Learners. In this video, we are going to discuss about system calls in the operating system. What is a system call? So every operating system provides certain services based on the functionality. The services are classified. For example, for doing process creation, process communication, we have different services. For doing file operations, we have different services. So like that, every operating system provides certain services and the application programs use those services. And here the application programs cannot directly interact with the services. We need an interface. Through that interface only application programs access the services. That interface is system call. So system calls provide an interface to the services made available by an operating system. Right? And so these are the calls in the sense we are calling in the sense definitely there is a function available in the background. So these functions are developed or written by the programming languages C, C++ and assembly language. So these are coming with the installation of the operating system into our computer, right? And we call it as API, Application Programming Interface. So with this API, we can access the system calls. That means every operating system has its own API. Through the API only we can get the system calls information, right? So here we can see some common APIs available. Windows API. So this is for Windows operating system. POSIX API. So POSIX API is for Unix based systems, Unix, Linux and Macintosh systems. And Java programming language has its own API. So Java API. So like that most of the operating systems has its own APIs. The APIs having the set of functions that are available to perform the functionality of the operating systems provided. Now we will see an example of a system call, how the system call is going to invoke and execute. So here I am taking the example of open system call. So the open system call is from the Unix operating system. It is used to open a file. Okay, when a user try to open a file, that means user application is trying to open a file. Through the API it makes a call to the open function, but that open function can be executed in the kernel mode. So we know that there are two modes of operations, user mode and kernel mode. All the user applications are running under user mode and all the system related informations, system related programs executes at the kernel mode. And these system calls are executing at the kernel mode. So the user application from the user mode invoke the open system call, then immediately the control shifted to the kernel mode where the functionality of the open system call is going to execute. Once the execution is over, it returns to the user application at the user mode. So this is how a user application gets the functionality of the file systems related things by a system called open. Now here we have different examples of system calls from the Windows operating system and also from the Unix operating system. So in the left side, so these are the services provided by the operating systems. These are the classification of the services. So what are these? So for doing process related activities, we have process control services and file manipulation services for working with the files, device manipulation services to access the devices, information maintenance services to establish the communication between the process, we have communication services and some protection services. For each service, we have different activities. For example, take the file manipulation service. So for the file manipulation, you know that you can create a file, you can open a file, you can read the file, you can close the file. These are the different activities. So for each and every activity, we have a predefined method or function available. So in Unix operating system, to create a file, we have a method called open. To read the content of the file, read. To write the content to the file, write. To close the file, we have close. So the same system calls, the same functionalities in Windows operating system. Create file for creation, read file for reading, write file for writing content to the file, close handle to close the file. Okay, so like that, so each operating system has its different own naming conventions. Okay, when you observe, Unix operating system has simple names, but in Windows operating system we have some lengthy names, but by observing the name we can able to understand what functionality it is going to execute, right? So for process control we have different functionalities. For each one we have different system calls. For device manipulation, information maintenance, communication and protection also. So for the services, on each service having different activities, for each activity we have a predefined method is available, and these methods are available or communicating from the application program through APIs, application programming interfaces. Every operating system has its own API. So this is all about what is a system call and how we invoke a system call and what are the different APIs available and what are the different system calls in Windows and Unix operating systems.